Good morning, MSc Fisheries and Limnology. Today's topic is pH in limnology. Yesterday we have discussed the pH and what is the role of pH in limnology. I am Dr. Nadeem Chishti, Associate Professor, Government Mira Girls College. pH pH is a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is known as pH. When pure water dissociates, it forms the H plus and OH minus ion. And dissociation constant is very small, that is 10 raised to power minus 14. However, the amount of H and OH present into 10 raised to power minus 7 grams per liter, ions per liter, that is 14, 10 raised to power minus 7 H and 10 raised to power minus OH when it will be stable. Natural water, of course, not pure, salt, acid, base, and all these salts and all these chemicals combine with the H and OH ion in different quantities and different qualities depending upon the circumstances. वहाँ का सराउंडिंग क्या है, वो किस एनवायरनमेंट में है, इस हिसाब से एसिड, सॉल्ट और बेस H और OH आयन से रिएक्ट करते रहते हैं. Since the dissociation constant of water is fixed, in addition of the one ion, the result will decrease to the other. Naturally, if one ion will increase, other will decrease. So balance will be like that. The pH is usually defined negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, as I already discussed, and P in pH refers to the power of the quotient of the hydrogen ion activity. H plus activities of the acid reaction increase towards power, and neutrality is the 10 raised to power minus 7 or pH 7, and 10 raised to power minus 4 denotes the pH 4. In alkaline, H ion activity decreases from the neutrality to whenever the H ion activity decreases, it move towards the alkalinity, or H ion concentration will be low. So there will be 10 raised to power minus 10. It means pH is equal to 10. What does it mean? pH 4, pH 10 and pH 7? We'll discuss later. pH of natural water is governed in large extent by the interaction of the H ion arising from the dissociation of the H2CO3 and form OH ion produced during the hydrolysis of the bicarbonate. The pH of natural water ranges from the 2 to 12. Nearly all natural unpolluted waters have pH less than 4 occur in the volcanic region that receive strong mineral acids, particularly sulfuric acid. Oxidation of the pyrites of rock, clay in drainage basin can result into the sulfuric acid drainage to the lake, and it increases the H ion concentration. Low pH values are often found in the natural water rich in the dissolved organic matter, and the appreciable portion, more than 50% of the dissolved organic matter, occur in the organic acid derived from the humic acid. Humic acid compounds are comprised of large number of the complex ligands and have numerous pK and charge density and mole size per mole of the carbon values. In the water, good aeration, low incoming substance, less pollutants, and plants for the oxygenation, and good wind for the circulation of the water, it will create the pH up to the normal, that is the neutral pH, or oligotrophic water body, that is the 7. If decomposition is more, plant is not there, and air circulation is not there, and there is the organic matter at the bottom which will consume the oxygen. It leads to the decrease in the pH, and it will move towards the, because it is the CO2, and it will react and it will form the acid H2CO3, and pH will move towards the acidic side. Concentration of the organic acid varies from 5 to 22 microequivalent milligram per, that is the microequivalent mean concentration. Organic acid concentration is measured into the CD, and its unit is the mean concentration. With an average CD of the acid, carboxylic acid is the 10 microequivalent milligram per. So that will be the carboxylic acid concentration. Recent study demonstrate that organic acid can modify both acidity of the surface water, change in the strong acid input in water with low or the little bicarbonate alkalinity. Organic acid may depress water from 0.5 to 2.5 pH unit. Its ANC, acid neutralizing capacity, ranges from 0 to 50 microequivalent per liter. The direct addition of the to acidity, organic acid have large buffering capacity. For a strong acid can reduce pH fluctuation from strong acid in precipitation. Low pH value are particularly common in the bogs where water is standing and no outflow or incoming of water in water bodies. So bog will always have the low pH, it means acid. Bog lakes are that dominated in the littoral zone, that zone where rooted vegetations are grow, met by the moss sphagnum. When the moss sphagnum is there, it means that is the acid water. pH of the sphagnum box is usually ranges from very high pH, that is the very high pH 3.3 to 4.5, that is very low and very acidic water. Source of H ion activity are several. Acidic precipitation result in the industrial pollution, an influx of the pH poorly buffered water significantly, and due to the continued industrial input of the industrial pollution, it will reduce and H ion will increase, and H ion ran unlikely acid 30% of the total annual put of the hydrogen ion. Due to the industrial pollution, if that is the acid rich, it will lead to the pH to the lower side and water become more and more acid. Metabolism of protein reduction of sulfate by the sulfur metabolizing bacteria contributes some ion, H ion in this water, and due to the SO4, it will form the H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, which leads to the pH to the lower side. In live sphagnum plants secrete organic acid. Concentration of these acids are usually insufficient to account for observed acidity. Sphagnum also releases the H ion, but its activity is very low, so it can't be measured. H ion concentration appeared as a result of the active cation in the wall of the sphagnum, which is released in the form of H+. pH of the most open lakes varies from 6 to 9. It is the acidic side and it is the alkaline side. Bicarbonate type in the lake, bicarbonate type that contains the CO2, HCO3 and CO3 minus. It may be a form of bicarbonate. There are the three, maybe in this form bicarbonate may present. Calcareous hard water lakes commonly buffered strongly at pH values less than 8. Seepage lakes and lake within the igneous rock catchment area less well buffered and more acidic, pH result is more than 7. Thank you.